This project, aimed at reducing plastic pollution and fostering sustainable waste management across the Eastern Caribbean, has achieved game-changing milestones with the buying and participation of critical civil society stakeholders. Further reinforcing Grenada's commitment, the Grenada Green Group, G3, unveiled plans for a plastic bottle collection campaign. The G3 aims to collect PET and HDPE plastic bottles, focusing on public awareness and active participation. The weekly collection of plastic bottles began on Saturday, World Ocean Day, with individuals delivering their bottles to the collection site, where it was then weighed and contact information documented. Kenya Charles, current vice president of the Grenada Green Group, explained a bit more about their involvement.
Okay, what we're doing here today is that we're collecting plastic bottles. These are PET or HDPE bottles. If you look under the bottom of the bottles, you will see the number 1 or 2. Those are the bottles we will be collecting today. And they will be provided to the Grenada Solid Waste Management Authority for recycling at their Queen's Park facility. Okay, currently we have a mixture. There are about 23 individuals and institutions that visited our collection depot today. And so far we have received over 170 pounds of plastic. And we have received the highest amount, it's from an institution, of 28 pounds so far.
The Grenada Solid Waste Management Authority has confirmed a Memorandum of Understanding with the Grenada Hotel and Tourism Association, the GHTA, that seeks to address plastic waste challenges. This arrangement, which involves up to 90% of the GHTA's membership, marks a pivotal step, with hotels committing to introducing waste sorting at their facilities and delivering sorted plastic to the Grenada Solid Waste Management Authority's Recycling Center. Their intent is to set the trend for sustainable tourism practices in the Eastern Caribbean. Communication Assistant at the Grenada Solid Waste Management Authority, Nikolai Oecs, explained the process after the bottles are collected.
Okay, so after the bottles are collected, it's going to go through a process where it's going to be shredded, it's going to be washed, and it's going to go through a heating process where the end stage is going to be pelletization. We see the pelletization as a raw material that can be reused to make other plastic products. Okay, so at the Grenada Solid Waste Management Authority, we are promoting a lot of public-private partnerships. So we're going to be producing and having in stock that raw pellets that private individuals can get from us to create new plastic products. And this will all be facilitated through our Integrated Resource Recovery Department.
There are incentives for individuals dropping off the most bottles by weight. Kinder Francis, member of the Grenada Green Group, explained what's in store for participating schools.
There is a competition ongoing for schools. There is a grand prize of $1,000. So for all schools, you just need to gather the bottles, you wash them, you prepare them, you remove the labels, and then you drop them off at the different locations. The cumulative weight from now to November would be looked at, and the highest weight would be awarded $1,000. I mean, that's a grand prize. Actually, as of our first collection time, we have 3 schools that participated so far, which is really exciting for us. And we look forward to a lot of other schools coming on board. So it's not too late. Don't think of it as that. You have multiple other times you can drop in, and we look forward to collecting your bottle.
Collection depots will be set up in other parishes in the coming months. For now, collection will take place at Comahan Park on the first Saturday of every month. In September and October, collection will be done in St. Patrick and St. Andrew respectively. The initiative continues until November. Christina John, GBN News.